Why a liver flush? With everything on the market that you can possibly do for your body, why would you want to do a liver flush? And the reason is it restores baseline health. When you really focus on your liver and you eliminate all the liver stones that are in your liver preventing it from functioning properly, you effectively rewind the clock, bringing your body back to when it was like 10 or 15. And here's an example. Now, when you go out and you drink and you overeat, which you know is very fun, and I have been accused of it many times myself, how do you feel the next day? Probably not so great. But when you were 15 or 20 or 25 and you indulged a little bit too much, how did you feel? Great, because back then your liver was in its infancy. It was clear. It was not exposed to the next 10, 15, 20 years of the 700,000 chemicals that we come into contact every day. Now, this is not like, oh my gosh, my body can't handle it, because our bodies are machines. Our bodies are capable of breaking everything down. And what our bodies do so that we can walk around in this incredible world that we're living in of so many things and so many blessings is that it just keeps going. But a liver flush is that one thing that helps your body keep going at its highest ability to thrive, because your liver is your hub. And a liver flush